It's time for Top That Trade. Joining us now, our top traders, Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com, and Phil Flynn of Fox Business Network News contributor. Round number one, guys, market melt up. The stock market has been running up since the Liberation Day low. Is this market over exploding to the upside?
Well, momentum is a powerful force. We talk about that each and every week here. And until we get even a slowdown, you've got to respect the upside. Yeah, we've come a long ways. Yes, we can take some profits at any time. It's harder now to find better risk-reward situations, but this market melt-up is amazing, and it's only been five months, but there are absolutely unlimited opportunities.
Yeah, I think you can call it a systemic melt-up, right? I think the economy is changing dramatically for the better. And yes, it's scary when you have this incredible percentage run from, the dark days of last April when, oh my gosh, we're going to go into recession. The world's going to end, to a few months later, record highs. Usually when you get that kind of correction, there's a lot further to go. That doesn't mean you just throw everything you have into the stock market at record highs, but it does mean that we're in a trend. And if you're not in, don't worry about it being too high if you're getting into your 401k. I would add to that, because even if it corrects down, you're going to be buying it at leveraging down at what I think is a historic uptrend.
If you haven't been long, you've been wrong. But the key for me is the dollar decline. And again, we've just got close last week or this week to multi-year lows in the dollar. So if that can break through and we're getting interest rates and these cuts are coming fast and furious, those are all catalysts for this market momentum to continue.
Round two, hot coffee. Where is the coffee break?
Are you ready? I mean, we had one, and then we get another coffee break. Then we get a new record high. Then we get another crash. The volatility in coffee is unlike anything I've ever seen in coffee ever. And the reason why is I don't think it's ever happened this way. When you've got crops that are under stress because of drought, because of frost, not only in Brazil, but in Vietnam, you have a systemic shortage. And so the volatility that we're seeing could go on for a long period of time. But there's also politics and the value of foreign currencies that are creating even more volatility. So we saw this huge spike reversal in coffee, which could mean that the top is in for a while. But if you look at the long-term fundamentals, the cost of coffee over the next couple of years, we could be talking $5 coffee. We just hit a new record high just above $4.
So I look at things simply. I just follow the charts and follow the money. We've been trading between $1 and $3 for many, many years, and then we broke out. So a breakout of that $2 range targets $5.
Round three, golden dilemma. Goldman Sachs stock is the best performer in the Dow, and gold trading in record territory. What's the better buy, gold or Goldman?
Well, Goldman's rallied from $450 to $800 just since April. So it's been absolutely positively straight up like a jet rocket. So, I don't know about the risk reward on that. Gold is still solid, but I like silver better. So if you're going to look at a banking stock, I think banking still has a long ways to go. I like it. Fifth Third Bank, FITB. It's trading for about 45 right now. It's got a PE of 13, and 60 was its high back in 2002. So I think that stock has a lot of money flow going into it. I think it's a better risk reward than Goldman straight up here at these levels.
Yeah, I would agree with that, Alan, but I also think maybe you could do a Goldman gold spread. This is something new, cross-market spread. The other thing is gold versus platinum, okay? Traditionally, platinum, outperforms gold. But right now, this time of year, you might want to go long gold, short platinum, because platinum had an extended run, almost a historic run, and it corrected. So that might be a different way to look at these metals to get your shine on. You need your shine on, right?
I hope you both shine in the bonus round today. Fall is on the way. Are the following tickers all true or false? Fall, leaf, cool.
Yeah, they're true. They're all true.
Oh, true.
False.
What?
I know. I'm just as surprised as you guys are. Good job anyway. Business First AM will be right back.
But I'll tell you what, I'm thinking about going public with those three tickers because they're awesome tickers. They should be companies. If they're not,
cool.
They should be.
I want to be
totally cool. I like that too.